baby. But I'm gonna fight
someday, some way.
Ooh, we had a quarrel, and I let myself go. I said so many things he didn't know. I was so bad, and I don't think he's coming back.
Maybe someday.
He gave the reasons he should go. He said things he hadn't said before. He was so mad, and I don't think he's coming back. Coming back. I did too much lying, wasted too much time. Now I'm here and crying. Been around the world and I can't find my baby. I don't know when, I don't know why he's gone away, and I don't know where he can be. My baby,
I don't know.
and I'm gonna find him.
Searching, keep looking. Well, you gotta keep doing what you've been doing.
So open heart, he never did me wrong. I was the weakest one of all, and now I'm so sad.
So sad.
And I don't think he's coming